Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Luis Jaña. I am in third year class C. Topic. I am going to make 5 questions and answer 10. Activity. Could you turn off the light? Yes, I could. Exercise. 1. Could you help me wipe my suitcases? No, I could. 2. Could you open the window? Yes, I could. 3. Could she close the door, please? Yes, she could. 4. Could he turn off the TV? No, he could. 5. Could you give me a hand with the cookies? Yes, I could. Thank you, teacher. See you another time.